What is going on, guys? Good morning. Today is Tuner Evo, and we are currently filming with Justin, aka Immortal Media, and he's redirecting me out of park. So I'm very excited to show you guys how the interior looked, and Justin is doing his thing. Thank you, baby. Thank you, dude. What's up, dude?
What's up, yo?
Everybody here, this is Justin.
Mortals Media, baby.
Mortal Video. Last time I just finished putting the car together. Me and the guys decided to running no tints. I'm literally vlogging, gotta meet up with the guys in like a little bit. Letting you guys know how is the Tuner Evo in Florida. Hopefully it turns out good. It's a good show. So we're almost ready. 5 minutes away from Tom's house, so I should be finishing here, and then after that I'll ride over it. The rolling time for us is at 9 in the morning, and then we definitely gotta be there early. We want good spots. I did forget flags. I don't have a button, sorry man. I ain't fancy like you, bro. I ain't fancy like you. What are you trying to open? Trying to put it in the trunk? I ain't got trunk space, bro.
Next.
Oh! Yo! Oh man, you supposed to know it was not all the way up.
Dog, that hurt.
You alright?
No, I'm good, bro.
You good? Alright, so that's incident number 1. How crazy is it gonna be today? So yeah.
It's not even incident number 1. This is like incident number
5.
Number 5.
See you guys in a little bit. Peace. So it's almost rolling time. We just finished filming, so I think it's time for us to leave. Let me see how far. So sassy, I'm telling you, man. Justin Media. See you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Hella comfy, nigga. What's up with this interior, dog? This shit real comfy.
That I hate.
Hey, wait, hold on.
What happened?
No copyright, though.
You're right. I was gonna cut it anyways. Either way, damn, I just banged the mic on the back.
It's a boom mic, dog.
It's a boom mic.
Yeah.
All right, so
shotgun mic, bro.
You're right. I had a shotgun. My rolling time is at 9 o'clock. It's already 8:09. It's only 25 minutes from here for Wynnwood, and you can barely see my eyes, but I'm here. So this is a closer shot from the interior. So this is pretty much a closer shot. A wild Tabo appears. Look at that.
A bag B46.
A wild Tabo appears. Tabo just got here, so let's see what the fuck is he gonna do.
Billy Bob.
Oh, what's up, baby? You get your plaque? Tell this nigga to get your plaque. And another BBS brother just joined. My brother from another. Hi, you know what? What's up, doggy?
What's good, bro?
Here, bro. This shits are fire. Yo, one time for the BBS game. Oh, okay. So how do you take them off?
The same way he put them on. The same way I put them on.
I hate y'all niggas. I really do hate y'all niggas.
Yo, like.
So he makes him aware that he's on his way. You need that key, bro.
I'm gonna need some gas. Any gas?
See you guys in a little bit. Hey! Yo, so we made it out here. This is crazy. But where this was shot, behind me is where the Fast and the Furious was taking place. Where 2 Fast and Furious, all these cars and the scenery. I'll post a clip right now. All these cars right here are where all the cars comes out, and then the whole entire thing. They go out through there, they go out through here. So this is Wynnwood. Hold on, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh my God. Hello, boss.
What's going on here, man?
Hi.
South. Yes.
There you go.
I appreciate that.
And he'll get you your wristband.
For sure.
First
You
name?
got a Thomas. Such a
2003 Honda Accord.
yes, sir.
Alright, bought an extra ticket.
Absolutely.
There you go, my friends.
Yeah, for real. 2003 Accord. We're in here. We're here, baby. We're here. Look at this guy. Oh, of course. Of course. First hand. What do you guys? What y'all boys think of that? It's alright. It's alright.
It's clean. Damn. Different damage this too.
Alright, we're finally moving. You know you like that shit. You know you.
He won't say. I'll say actually hard, bro.
I appreciate that, man. Alright. We're finally moving. It's about time. They want us to put the stickers on, so we gotta see where the stickers go. I hope I'm not set up on the fucking street, because I definitely don't want to be in the street. It's 8 of us in total. And look at Ranger right there, look. Hey! Alright, bro, so I'll see you guys inside. Please, Daddy.
Whoa. Let's keep it PG-13, please. It's a proper demonstration on how to air out.
Wait.
You gotta get the hot boy stance.
Okay.
Right?
What's the hot boy stance? Teach me.
Hot boy stance is knees both at a 90-degree angle. Feet are even and straight.
Okay.
You're tired. Make a quick look back at your air system.
And just air it out.
Well, hey, this one air out, bro.
Hello there, team. There goes, guys. TJ Hunt, live in the flesh. I gotta give it to him, bro. That's just clean. Yo, man, that's goals right there, bro. That's how you start from YouTube channel. He started from right here, man, and look where he's at.
I'm definitely getting clout off that thumbnail.
I say, yo, what up? You gotta hang with Sirius? He say, yeah, I got you. Let me know.
No, we couldn't.
TJ Hunt joining Series Innovations at San Diego
You
chapter.
already know. You already
Fact. So it's prepping time. So it's actually prepping time now. So we're cleaning everything.
Dirty windows. Dirty windows.
Let's go back.
Why is Chris in the back looking like a fucking freak? He just walk around the camera like this. Need help?
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
Alright, I just asked you.
I'm busy.
Oh, alright. Ah! If this nigga's gonna park like this, I'm leaving.
If they park in the middle of the street,
I'm leaving.
I'm gonna be like, let me get my money back.
Can I please get my money back? DJ Hunt gonna be sucking this dick later on in the future.
Yo.
Hey, listen, we caught your ass giving dap to
Don't hate on me,
Dustin. Dustin.
Oh, Dustin. All right, let's close it
Yo,
up.
you can't hate on me, dog. That's like my idol right there.
I'll let him know later.
I'll be here.
I'll let him
From the
know.
I
bottom.
started from the bottom, bro. Listen, I started from the bottom.
Legends, baby.
Still here.
Legends.
Immortal.
Hey, bosses. We're here blogging. What just happened? Oh my god, look at this guy. Okay. Oh my god, that's Joby guy. Joby guy.
What's up, boss?
Yo, so this is the behind the scenes. You know, you can follow me up on TMC_Carlos. See the wide body SUV of Hialeah in Miami. Hey, bosses. Yo, look at my hair, dog.
Yo, listen. I'm fucking tired. I'm glad that it's windy and it's not sunny.
For real, bro.
Oh my god.
I just hope it doesn't rain.
Yo, I'm so tired. So guys,
why do we
I met TJ Hunt. Thank you, TJ, for shooting me out.
Catch you on the vlog, yo.
Yeah,
What's your
right.
mind? 1050 West Commercial Boulevard. I like my boy Sal. Cleanest in Florida right now, bro.
Great minds think alike, my friend.
I know, Pete.
You pee, right? You pee, right? Hey, man.
I thought I was the only one.
I was gonna throw the other ones, and I was like, nah.
I got the Buccaneers because
Because it kind of matches the car. If you get the, yeah, I feel you.
Thank you. You see?
Yeah, the vision, bro. That's,
yo,
true car enthusiasts only know these things. Attention to detail, people. Attention to detail.
and next year, my plans for the car is gonna be spray completely.
Miami, South
They
Florida.
know, man.
Miami Heat all day.
You know the vibes. You know the
Miami
vibes.
Vice on the plate. You see
Facts,
it?
bro.
Miami
Facts,
Vice
bro.
on the plate.
Facts. Yo, beat this car. Please. You went from static to back, then static.
But
Blow it. Hands up. Hands up. Oh, look at that. Bruce Lee. Right there. My man, let's go. Come on, do it with him. Do it with him. This is our staff right here from Tuna Revo. Come on. Come on, whole crowd. Hey, 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 Miami. Asian, I know you're not Asian. Solamente un chino. Let's go. You know he was gonna do some flips. Hold up, oh! This is Vietnam versus, whoa! Hold up. Hey, they can't, he's wearing camouflage. Might not be able to see him, hold up. Yeah. Back at it with the white van for the first time. He's laughing, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Come on, make some noise, y'all.
you hang out with a bunch of Dominicans and he becomes Dominican, it's a real addiction.
Hi, my friend. Thank you, come again. Hi, my friend. Hi, my friend.
I'm not speaking like English.
Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy.
If you want to come to my store, let me know. We got plenty, Ale. Curry. You know you like curry. Oh, shit. Damn. That's how you know this nigga famous out here.
Hey, do you need a model? You need a model?
my boy.
Yeah. What's up, boy? What's
We're
up?
finna pick up some TO stocks.
Bro, you know, I'm kind of sad right now because
my
the
God.
man said, he had some TO stocks for me for the free in the comment on one of my last videos about me picking up wheels for the CRX. And he had them, and I didn't even know because I didn't read the comment. I fucked up.
Yeah, bro.
I fucked up, dog.
You would have gotten this shit, you're gonna have brand new, literally brand new 2 tires are brand new.
I messed up, but now he got my contact info. He come across the deals. I need something. Hit him, hey, bro. We good now. We good now.
Facts, you already know. You already know. This is all about, man. It's all about, right?
Helping each other, bro. That's how that's how the Florida scene gets.
Out here, man. Getting it done. This tuna Evo is crazy. All right, so it's 4:16 in the afternoon. I'm catching a break with my fiance and the baby, and of course, young Gucci Papi in the back and the cut. Actually, go follow him on his YouTube channel. He started his YouTube channel now.
How you do this?
Just mount it in there, bro. So give him a follow, man. Make sure you guys give him a follow and see what his YouTube channel is, his content, how he's building an IS300. So he's definitely in the come up, man. So go give him a follow, man, and also follow the 240 boys. So I'm gonna holler at you guys in a little bit. I gotta get another battery. My battery's almost done. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.